Hello everyone, welcome back to my little world. I am Rutuja. So this is our day 9 of Learn English with Me series, and to be very honestly, I really didn't think that I will able to record video daily and I will post on YouTube consistently. So because now posting videos consistently, it's like a very big thing for me because I was not consistent on something, and right now I'm posting daily videos on YouTube, so it's a very big thing for me. And as you all know, I am here to improve my English, and I'm learning English language as a beginner, and I'm doing so many things to improve my English. And this is our day 9 of Learn English with Me series, and be the part of my journey by subscribing this channel. Okay, so today I want to see you something. I want to tell you something actually, that right now I'm in a roof of my building, and guess what? What I'm going to show you today right now. Okay, so meet my brother. Actually, he's my cousin. Okay, so meet my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so he's my actually he's my mama's son, and he came to my home to meet us. And today in this video I'm going to talk with him in English, so that my English and his English will also improve, and we can we can start conversation in English. Okay, so let's just talk with him. Okay, so where do you live?
Kids.
Basically, not. What is your name? Okay,
My name is Prithvi.
speak loud.
My name is Prithvi.
Okay, so his name is Prithvi. Okay, so where do you live, bro?
Kids.
Okay, so he lives in Case. And why do you come here?
I came here where to meet you.
Okay, so basically it means I came here to meet you. He came to meet me. Okay. Okay, so in which standard do you study right now?
8th.
Okay, so he's studying in 8th standard, and he is also learning English. He also want to learn English. That's why we are talking with each other, so that our both English will improve. Okay, so Prithvi, what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket.
Okay, so his hobby is playing cricket, and you all know he want to become cricketer in his life. So I always encourage him to be whatever you want to do in your life. Okay. Okay, so what is your age?
My age is 13 years.
Okay, so his age is 13 years old. Okay, so right now we are walking in a roof of my building, and as you all know, he's my brother, and he came to meet me, and he also want to learn English. Okay, so we are just trying to make a conversation. Okay, so right now I'm just walking and talking with you and just making a video. Okay, so that is for today. This was our day 9. See you in the day 10. Okay, bye.